You guys really like this Python scraper that I put together that searches for truly entry-level jobs and adds them to a Google Sheet. The scraper itself is heavily dependent on this library called LinkedIn Job Scraper, and I've tuned the query to make sure we're searching for software engineering jobs in the US that are truly entry-level. Look at the scraper go. It's finding all these jobs for you, saving you so many hours of time. But what I want to talk about is how all that data that is now saved in text files gets funneled into a Google Sheet. Because when you get a data set into a spreadsheet or Google Sheets, you can analyze it to your heart's content. So the part of my code that actually dumps the data that I've scraped into a Google Sheet is in a separate program. In order to talk to Google Sheets, you have to import these two libraries into your Python script. You then have to go to Google Developer Console and navigate to APIs and services. You would then need to enable a new API and service. As you can see, I have added an API for Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is download the credentials in JSON format associated with your Sheet API. The next thing you need to do is give your script the scope of what it's allowed to do, import the credentials from that file we just downloaded, and then authorize your gspread library with those credentials. Then you need to create a spreadsheet that you're going to give your script access to and share that spreadsheet with the service account that you set up for Google Sheets. Once you've done that, you can open your sheet using the key like this. The key, by the way, is this section of the URL for your sheet. Go knock yourself out and follow me for more tech content.